Simon Cowell is one of the most famous faces and most powerful men in the world, but he made a pretty interesting confession during a recent interview that had he been famous when he was younger, the pressure would have killed him. The music mogul admitted that he would have struggled with the stresses of stardom if he were thrown into the spotlight as a teenager, like the shows he overseas does to other teens. Cowell was already 40 years old when he became a household name and is glad he wasn't a child star because he wouldn't be alive today. And because of it, he doesn't have the pressures others feel. Cowell added that one of the reasons he never gets sick is because he's not stressed. And the reason he's not stressed is because he's seen things in other parts of the world that have put everything in perspective. So he has no pressure and about $100 million. We wouldn't be stressed either.